Safety on the side of the highway every day, every night. Tow truck drivers, officers, construction workers risk their lives to help all of us.
Right. Ohio does have a move over law. It requires you to get out of their way or slow down. But our E-team wanted to know just how often drivers violate it. So only on News 5, the E-team's Kristen Volk hit the road to find out.
My family, making it home to my family every day.
Matthew Powell works just inches from extreme danger every day. And with each precarious step, he tells me he thinks about his 4 kids, his longtime girlfriend.
It can be really dangerous.
Powell is a tow truck driver whose office is often here, the berm of the highway. By law, drivers must move over for Powell if there's room, and if there's not, they must slow down.
Some people do move over, but a lot of people don't.
The violations happen all the time, every day.
State Highway Patrol tells us they're out enforcing Ohio's move over law nearly every day. Violators are subject to fines and points against their license.
That lane to your left is available, move over. And it's for the safety of everyone on the side of the road.
This week, Sergeant Todd Belcher showed us exactly how he and his colleagues nab those violators, all in an effort to prevent another tragedy on our roadways. Cleveland police officer David Fahey struck and killed on I-90 in January. 4 months prior, in the same area, Trooper Kenneth Velez also struck and killed. Velez was a good friend of Belcher's, and in a half-hour period along 480 this week, he and his colleagues stopped move-over violators about every 5 minutes. And in the short time we were with Powell along Route 2 here this week, about 40% of drivers did not move over or slow down for him.
You just want to make it home safe every day.
In the past 5 years, State Highway Patrol has nearly doubled the number of citations it has issued to drivers statewide who do not abide by the move-over law. They say that's because they're doing more active enforcement and because 3 years ago, lawmakers broadened the law to include construction and maintenance workers. In Cleveland, I'm Kristen Volk, News 5.